guys, I'm your friendly neighborhood STEM teacher here, Miss L, and this week we'll be doing something a little different. Instead of jumping into a mini STEM lesson, we're going to be trying our hand at making face masks with socks. I would have never guessed that a creative individual could figure out how to make face masks using socks, but now that I know how, I want to be able to share that information with you all. Keep in mind though that while this is an interesting way to create a mask, it's a viable method. And we should be safe and practice social distancing when we can, for ourselves and for others. Gear with a pair of scissors, clean sock, and an adult if you need one, and let's head over to the workspace. So two things that you're going to need is a pair of scissors and a sock. Now I suggest getting a sock that you lost a match to and making sure it is a clean sock. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut off the toe part of the sock because you don't need that toe part. So I'm going to use 4 fingers. So we're actually going right here. So we're going to use those 4 fingers to kind of measure. So we're going to cut it right here. So we're just going to cut off the toe part of the sock. Alright, so our sock no longer has a toe piece. Okay, again, measuring it 4 fingers. About like here. We're going to take off the heel area here. Okay. Alright. So now we have the middle of the sock. Okay, what we're going to do depends on which way you want to go. I'm going to go the green way and cut down the middle of the sock. It's up to you. I guess it depends on the design of the sock that you have. So I'm going to go down here and cut down the middle of the sock like so. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold. So I unfolded. I'm going to fold it the long way, the hot dog way. Okay, so we fold it the long way, and I'm going to make slits or cuts right here. So this is what's going to go over the ear. Just going to cut long enough, just long enough, but we don't want to cut it completely because that's the part that goes over the ear. And then I'm going to round out those corners a little bit, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to fold it like this. I'm going to cut just a little bit. Don't want to cut all the way, just a bit. Because again, this is going over your ear. Gonna round out the edges. And there, you have made a face mask. So let's see how it looks when I put it on. STEM is all about innovation in the face of difficulty, and so a lot of people are using their skills and their knowledge to find creative ways to be able to function in a normal society. That's pretty much why we have STEM. Because we have a problem, we find a creative solution, and then we make it mainstream so that everybody can benefit. So this is just one of those ways that someone has taken creative thought, used something that we already have to solve a problem, and basically make it mainstream. Through all of this though, I'm going to leave you with a little bit of advice. Harness your creativity and build on your imagination. In my ear. So like while I'm talking, I'm hearing her talk. Cannot do the two.